Hi everyone, my name is Rudy Mejia, and today we're in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. We're touring another model home. This one is called the Ana Maria, built by Kolter Homes. This house has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a den, and a 2-car garage. It also has an extended lanai. And so if there's any questions about this model or any other models that we show you, please give us a call, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And like it too. How about that? Now let's go check it out.
Oh, dear.
Enjoy the tour and feel free to contact us for more information on this home and the communities it can be built in.